just looking at the packaging, you just can't not feel away, not feel excitement when you're talking about an Argos fragrance in a package. So this is how it comes fresh out the box, man. For those who haven't seen this, all gold wrapping with a ribbon. This is the packaging, man. So I've never done a unboxing of Argos before, so this is the first time, I believe. So nice ribbon, everything detailed, everything quality. The all gold gifting paper, wrapping paper is stellar. So I wanted to open this up with y'all, experience it with you guys, for those who are fans of Argos. All right, so we are indeed, you know, taking my time with that. Super excited, man. Now I do know that this particular fragrance is supposedly maybe based on a rose oud combination, and the only reason I know that is just based on the notes that have been posted. All right, so here we go. Wow, look at that. Well, I can tell you this right now, this is the dopest casing for it. So let's look at this, man. So we have Charon's Vail Extrait de Parfum from the House of Argos. Look at this. Look at that. It looks almost like it's 3D. I know it's somewhat clashing with my studio light, but wow. Christian just does not miss with his packages, man. Good God, that's one of the things about Argos that always makes it exciting to experience the brand. So let's go ahead and get this fully out the plastic. And here it is out the plastic. Maybe we can get a better look. I know it may have it almost looks like 3D-ish a little bit. Let's get that in. There it is. Look at that. Incredible color, incredible detail, colors, everything. And of course, these all come with tremendous stories that I can't wait to read up on. So let's go ahead and get this out the box. I know you guys, you know, really care about what's going on with the juice. Really anticipating this bottle as well. And here is the casing. This is Charon's Vail, an all black and gold casing from Argos this time around. Very beautiful, very sleek, good quality. It just smells new. Smells new, smells fresh. Like they just got this out of the production lab and just shipped it out. So we're gonna open this up, and I can't wait to see this bottle in person. Good God. Wow. Wow. Let's go ahead and show it off. From the House of Argos, we have the new Charon's Vail. Look at that. Look at that iced out bottle. Beautiful plate. Oh, they put my name on it. Got the Argos engraved with Christian's name on the back and my name at the bottom. Check that out if y'all can see it. My name is down here at the bottom on this ice frosted glass bottle. That's really cool. That's really, really cool, man. So inside is the story of Charon's Vail and here are the notes on the inside of the box. Wow, just great quality. Amazing. Of course, it comes with this beautiful introduction of your purchase from the House of Argos. You know, has a nice letter here, testers inside, note from Christian on the inside. This is every purchase that you experience with the House of Argos. So this bottle, frosted glass, the plate is insane. This is nuts. I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and see what we get with Charon's Vail, highly anticipated release. The caps are all very snug. I never recommend holding your fragrances by the cap, but if you are going to, I mean, you could be okay.